This is my personal website that I wipe coded and make that online with just $4, and that money is just because buying the domain. I didn't pay anything for hosting. And the most exciting thing is the Core Web Vitals or technical SEO numbers for this website. As you can see, these numbers are so good. You cannot achieve these numbers by any wipe coded website, and in the most wipe coded website you will reach so bad numbers. For example, you should just experience that. Another proof is GTmetrix. The numbers are so good here too. These numbers helps you to have a good Core Web Vitals numbers, so those numbers are some factors to have a great ranking on Google. Another proof is my Google Analytics. I make that website online 7 days ago, and in just 1 week we have some traffic source from search engines and some direct. Most of this direct traffic is me and my friends because testing that website. But as you can see, I wipe coded the website. I reached to good numbers on technical SEO. I indexed that on Google. I added that to the Google Analytics so I can manage that. And I don't pay anything for hosting. And the most important side is I grab some leads here by email marketing. And I don't pay for email marketing too. I found a tool that you can connect that with your website and you can build a real business here. I know that you will see lots of video. Okay, I wipe coded a 3D animation website. Those websites are beautiful, but you cannot monetize them and you cannot make money with them. In this way that I will show you in this next minutes, you can build a website. That website can rank good on Google, can give you some traffic, and you can manage that website and talk to your customers. Okay, without wasting any time, let's go to build that website. Be with me, and if you have any question, just the comment section is yours. Okay, for this website, I use a framework that is called Astro. I'm a WordPress designer who built more than 50 websites with WordPress in these years, but for my personal website, I didn't use WordPress. Why? Because first of all, I wanted to have some new experiences. Second of all, I think with this age of AIs, using these tools can help you to be so faster, and designing a website with WordPress and Elementor took more time from you, Another thing that grabbed my attention a lot is Astro is more SEO friendlier than WordPress in Core Web Vitals. What is Core Web Vitals? The numbers that I showed you here. Before we go to the cursor, the tricky part is you should design your website with a tool that is free. Stitch is a tool that can do the same job as Figma, but it's an AI agent that designs everything entirely for you. You go to the Stitch, build a project, and first of all, you should find a website that you like the design. For me, was that. I like that website, and I took a screenshot from that website. I send that to the Stitch. I just upload that here and tell the Stitch that, okay, let's create a modern and high converting personal brand website, and you can access to these prompts on my website. The links is in the description. The first thing that Stitch gave me was that. I told him based off this design, inspired from that, I gave my website information, and boom. It's not bad. I think it's so good. And in the next prompts, I uploaded my picture. I told the tool that, okay, replace that picture with my, as you can see, this is my picture. After that, I told the Stitch, okay, I like that. Based off that, design the use case page for me. After that, I told that, okay, design the blog post, because the SEO is so important and the blog post is too important for me. In the blog post section, I told the tool that I should have a table of contents section, I should have a sidebar, so in the future these sections are so important for me and useful for marketing. And I told the tool, okay, let's have a writer section bar with my picture, and this section is too important for me. After the stitch do his job, I click on the, for example, homepage, click on more and click on the download. Okay, I downloaded the stitch file, and here I go and open them. Open the folder and find the folder that you upload them. Okay, for me is that, and this is the file. This is the folder that I have. Okay, in your screen, you just have these three files. Code.html, it's the HTML version of your website that you design in Stitch. The screen.png, absolutely, it's the image, and the design.md. This is the instruction of your website that can help the AI agent to design a better performance website. Okay, based on this file, I told to the tool, you go to the agent section here. If you use cursor, you just open this section. This is the agent mode, and you can choose your model, or even in free model, free version. I told the agent I generated the website and add this file, and I want you to build 100% the same. You will build this with Astro. I attach the address and research all the dependencies you should install and some instruction for SEO. This is so important. I will put that in the website. You can copy and paste them, and that's it. The tool designed the first version. You just should talk to that. Okay, let's fix this section, let's fix that section. After I develop the homepage, I go for the blog post. Again, I download that from the Stitch and reference these images and tell the agent, okay, based off this and what you designed for me until now, build the blog section, and all the projects and file are here. Okay, you can see that we have all the projects, all the files, and this is Astro project. After that, you should go to the view section and click on the source control. Why source control? Because you should connect that with GitHub or download entirely the project and upload that to the GitHub account. Until here, we should have a repositories that contains all of your file of your website. Next part is go to Cloudflare, sign up an account, and click on the compute, workers and page, and click on the create applications. Here, get started, looking for deploy a page. Yes, I don't want to create an application. Click on importing an existing Git repositories. You just use this way. You can drag and drop your files here too, but trust me, this way you will have some problems in future. Click on the first. Because my Cloudflare and GitHub is connected together, you cannot see anything, but for the first time here, it show you a message, okay, change, go and connect that. You just choose your account and those tools connected to each other. And here you should choose your repositories. And for example, this is my repositories, and begin setup. Here is so important. You should give your website a name, and don't change that. Here you should choose the Astro. If you don't choose the Astro, the build cannot be done properly. And don't change these things, and save and deploy. After that, you will have a temporary link like that. To connect a domain from here, you can easily go to the Cloudflare and buying domain here. You can, for example, register a domain and attach the domain together, and it's so easy. Okay, I didn't buy the domain from the Cloudflare, but I just attached it to the Cloudflare. That's so easy to develop a website and build a website like that. I should say you an important note. In the process of this website building, if you have any problem, for example, I know that in the process of making the website online in Cloudflare, maybe you will see some errors. Copy that errors and paste that on your AI agent and tell him, okay, what I should to do, and it will solve for you. And the last part is for email marketing. For this, I wanna introduce you to a tool that is called Recent. Recent gave you 3,000 email per month for free. And I think it's enough for a starting project. If you reach that amount, you can buy the pro model, and it's not a lot. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you have any question, the comment section is yours. And for more details, the prompts that I use, you can check the description link, go to the website, and I will create a blog post for this video too, so you can use that every time that you want. And if you wanted to have a website like that, you can be in touch with me in my website. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your website.